If you've been shopping for an automatic watch under $300, you've probably run into these three movement names: NH35, NH36, and 4R36. They look similar, they're often confused with each other, and most buying guides don't actually explain the differences clearly. So let's fix that. In the next 4 minutes, we'll break down what separates these three movements and which one actually deserves our money. All three are automatic movements, meaning they wind themselves as you wear the watch, no battery required. They're also all made by companies under the Seiko umbrella, which is why they get compared so often. The NH35 and NH36 are made by Seiko Instruments, while the 4R36 is made by Seiko itself and sits one tier above in Seiko's own lineup. That one detail who actually manufactures it explains most of differences we're about to cover. Here's where most guides get it wrong. The NH35 and NH36 are mechanically almost identical, same base caliber, same accuracy range of about -20 to +40 seconds per day. The only functional difference is the day-date display. The NH35 shows only the date. The NH36 adds a day of week display, that's it. There's no meaningful difference in accuracy, durability, or power reserve. Both run around 41 hours. So if you see two watches priced differently with only this difference, the day display is not worth paying extra for. The 4R36 is where things get more interesting. It's essentially a Seiko branded version of the same base architecture, but manufactured under Seiko's in-house quality standards rather than the instrument's CBIT. In practice, this means slightly tighter accuracy tolerances on average, based on aggregated user reports across watch forums and retailer listings, though real-world results vary by unit. The 4R36 also tends to appear in watches with better overall finishing, since Seiko typically pairs it with mid-tier case and dial quality. The trade-off: 4R36 equipped watches usually cost $50 to $100 more than NH35 or NH36 equivalents, for a movement that isn't dramatically better on paper. Here's the practical takeaway: if you're buying your first automatic watch and budget matters, an NH35 or NH36 powered watch gives you same core reliability for less money. The day-date feature is a style choice, not a quality upgrade. If you're choosing between two watches at similar price points, Andoni has a 4R36. That's a reasonable tiebreaker in its favor, but it's not worth chasing on its own. The movement matters less than most buying guides suggest. Case quality, water resistance, and after-sales support usually matter more. Full comparison charts and specific watch recommendations for each movement are linked in the description and on nxgenpix.com. If this cleared things up, subscribe for more no-nonsense watch breakdowns and drop a comment if there's another movement comparing you want covered next.